So, why should you hire a skip? Well, they might not be that exciting, but they are incredibly useful. If you've got a DIY project planned, a new kitchen to install, a garden to clear, a home to renovate, or some construction work to sort out, hiring a skip can be a huge help. What skip though is the right one for you? The smallest one in our range is a 2-yard skip. We'd recommend these for any small household job. They hold up to 30 bin bags and they're ideal for small clear outs, garden tidy ups and some basic room renovations. Our 4-yard skip is used more by builders. These can hold up to 40 bin bags and they are ideal for medium-sized jobs like landscaping, home improvements and more considerable renovations and clear outs. Here we have an 8-yard skip, which is mainly used for heavy building work. These can hold up to 80 bin bags and they are ideal for large renovations, property construction, landscaping and full house clearances. Next is our 14-yard fully enclosed skip. This can hold up to 200 bin bags and has doors on the front and the rear of the skip for easy access loading. You would use this for light materials and being fully enclosed ensures all waste is safely contained. Finally, this 16-yard open top skip is the largest in our range. This is used for large bulky materials across residential and construction. Whatever skip you decide to choose, Kenny's have got you covered. We deliver a fast and reliable service at a competitive rate. We'll make sure all of your skip's contents is recycled wherever possible, and we constantly aim to divert 99% of all the waste we collect from landfill. So whenever you need to book a skip any day of the week, why not give us a call or book online at Kenny Skip Hire.